thought we'd start by we'll crack open a fridge cigarette, because I know how you love the fridge cigarette.
Love them. Smash them. Line them up. Oh, no, that's a Wolf Brothers song. Oh, excuse me.
Excuse me, you look like you love fridge cigarettes. Okay.
Oh, those colours really go really well with your nails.
Oh, that is the best fridge cigarette I've ever had.
Smash it.
What is on your rider then backstage here? Is it just fridge cigarettes?
Yeah, Coke no sugars.
Yeah.
I'm not drinking, so I have the old Heaps Normal. It's not a sponsorship, but like
Should be.